knew you could do it, you turd. Look at her. She's like, I'm not gonna do it when you're watching. Oh, Perry's gonna come and ruin all her fun. She just kicks them out of the way. Like, that one's gone. That one's gone. She's also doing the looking to see where they went.
Mm-hmm.
She could push a car down a racetrack too. You're a holdout, Tansy. You're a stinker. I don't want to tap the ball. It's scary. It's not scary. Holding out on me. You doing, Sappy? You gonna join the club? There we go.